Alright guys, what do you want to do today? You want to go outside? Yeah, Cody, I have a deck. You have a deck? Yeah, like a porch, but up high on the second level. Boss Junior, let's go. Yeah, but there's this one thing. I have to tell you about it first. Yeah, dude. I thought you were sleeping, Joseph. I'm tired, dude. I'm just gonna. Okay, Joe. Wait, yeah, there's this one thing I need to tell you, guys, about this. What, dude? Um, there's this weird bird. He's red, and he throws things off the balcony sometimes. Dude, you can't have that. And I think he gets it from my house. Junior, that's not good. No, dude, you can't have that. I know. If we find him, let's just take him down off there, okay? Okay, dude. Yeah, let's do it. The floor is creaky, dude. Whatever. So, guys, how do you like it? It's okay. This is not very good, Junior. It's not good. No, Junior, it's not too good. But why is there a baby crying, dude? I I don't know, Joe. Well, Junior. I'm gonna go inside, okay? Dude, we're gonna be outside and be actual good people, okay? I'm going inside. You wanna hear that baby crying? Well, then good. We're gonna go investigate on his porch. Yeah, try to find that weird bird. Yeah. So, dude, stupid Cody went inside. I know, dude. Wait, what is that? That's the red bird. Dude, we gotta go get it. We gotta go get it, dude. Go over there, dude. I'll hide here and watch. Hello, Mr. Bird. Can you come down? Okay. What do you want? Um, well, I mean, why are you throwing things off my balcony all the time? Because what? It's this thing that happens sometimes. Okay. But yeah, you just go away. Okay. Uh, Dude, what the heck was that? Well, I mean, I didn't know what to say. He's just a weird thing. Dude, you're supposed to throw him off the balcony or something. You are not supposed to have him here, okay, dude? I'll go throw him off. Okay, dude, go. Eh. Go away, Mr. Bird. Yeah, I'll go tell Joseph about that. Good job, dude. You threw him right off there. I know, Joseph. It was pretty cool, wasn't it? Yeah, dude. I just saw him. Oh no! And then he hit the ground and he hit a pile of poop. He did? Yeah. He hit a big pile of poop and he died. How did you see that? And I didn't. I was the one who threw him off. I don't know, dude, but he hit the biggest pile of poop. It looks like it. He was like, oh, poop, yummy poop. Guys, what was that about? Sorry, Joseph told me to throw you off the balcony. Joseph, you stupid! No, stop! He's my friend. I won't stop until you stop. No, please. We can be friends. We can be fine with this. Okay. How do you consider this? Well, I mean, I won't throw you off the balcony again. Thank you. But you're a bird, so you should have been like, woo! Dude, we're a ball. We have no wings. Do you see a wing? That's a wing. That's a tail, you idiot. Can we be friends? Sure, whatever. Screw it. Okay. Dude, you broke my shell, I think. Your shell always had those cracks in it. It did? Yeah, you idiot. I'm not an idiot, dude. You can live with me. You can be my pet. Sure, as long as I can bring my friends in. Look, how many do you have? Couple. Okay, that's fine. Oh god, yes. No, wait, what? What? Hey, Cody, oh my god, Junior, get out of here. I'm sorry, Cody, I'm sorry. Here we go, I gotta wash my hands now. Alright, time to wash my hands. Uh, um, gotta pull my sleeve up, yeah, like that. And then my hand's wet, I gotta tell somebody. Help! Alright guys, why'd you need me so bad? Cody, we found the bird we were telling you about that kept throwing things off my balcony. Really, Junior? Yeah, dude. It was like, who? You should not be up here, dude. You better get down. And then Junior here, he was like, no, you get down. And then he went up to him and kicked him off. Whoa, Junior, did you really do that? Yeah, and then we became friends, and I let him move into our house. Junior, you can't just let random people in your house. Yeah, he can, dude. He just did, my dude. Junior. Yeah, Cody? Why'd you let him in your house? Well, I mean, like, he's like, he said I got free candy bars. So, when somebody's got free candy bars, then you're like, hey, yeah, get in my house, yeah. What voice was that, Junior? Yeah, dude, that was kind of weird. But, dude, I'm gonna go get him, alright? He said there's gonna be a couple friends. A couple friends? You can't have a couple. Usually, when they say a couple friends, they mean like probably 12 other friends. What, Cody? You didn't tell me this. Well, I was inside taking a poop, and you just barged in. Dude, that was weird. I saw that. Yeah, he's weird. Well, yeah, dude, I'm gonna go get him. All right. Well, okay. I'll just sit here. Cody, why'd you ditch us? I had to go to the bathroom. Whatever. Alright, dude, here he is. Ugh. What do you guys want from me? I just moved into your house and what are you doing here? I've seen you. I've played your game. Oh, do you like it? Yeah. What are you doing? Is your like, yes, it's finally about to break. I can't believe it. Because then I can, like, when I'm talking in conversations, usually just goes off, but now it doesn't go off anymore. Okay, Joseph, what are you doing? Dude, I am tired of being in the sun. Joseph, are you a vampire? No, dude, I have no teeth. Oh, yeah. So, dude, what friends did you have? What? What friends did you have? You said you were gonna bring some friends in. Oh, well, I mean, like, we're not at 10 minutes, so I'll just bring them in. Okay, dude. Can you come down here? Dude, we have to go down there, dude. Do I have to? My hand's wet. Whatever. Alright, guys, come in. Okay, yeah, okay. Alright, so how many friends did you say you had? Oh, okay. I didn't say I had any friends because they're not really my friends, they're my brothers. But, Chuck, come in here. Yeah. What do you need? Chuck, calm down, calm down. Did you eat sugar? I ate a ton of sugar. I ate all of your chocolate. You ate all the chocolate? You said you were gonna give me some chocolate. I did, but Chuck ate it all. I'm sorry. I love chocolate. I love. Sometimes you just gotta knock him out, because he's annoying. Alright, Bomb, come in here. Yeah. Oh, some people. You want me to blow them up? I can blow up. I'm gonna. No, bomb, stop. What? You want me to blow them up or not? Don't. I seriously do not want you to blow them up. Why? They're our new friends. Okay. Okay. Matilda, come in here. What do you want? I just wanted to show you to our new friends. I just laid like 4 eggs. 4 of them? That's the most you've ever laid. Yeah, it's been a year. Oh, well, that's fine. Alright, just sit there. And then, Hal, come in here. What was that? I don't know, dude. That was weird. Hal, get back in here. Whoa, God. Gosh dang it, Hal. Just come in here. Hal, I am sick and tired of you just flinging around. It's so annoying. Yeah, just walk in here. Oh my gosh. How hard was that, Hal? Kind of hard because, like, my beak is in the way. No, it wasn't. Okay, just. God, shut up. Alright, Blue Jay, come in here. Hey. Blue Jim, come in here. Hey. Blue Jake, come in here. Hey. And, I gotta find the stupid one. He's probably doing something stupid. Stupid one. Stupid one, where are you at? Stupid one, there you are. There's the stupid one. Why is he the stupid one? Because he's a Chinese knockoff. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, and then Terrence, come in here. Come in here, Terrence. Terrence. Terrence, just get in here. Oh my God, Terrence, just walk, please. You've never walked in your entire life. You teleport. Wait, don't look at him, guys. Okay. Oh God, hi, Terrence. Whoa, dude, he teleports, dude. Can you go down and get me something to drink, dude? Can you get him something to drink? No. Okay, Terrence, you do that. But yeah, guys, these are all my friends. Now, can you guys go find a place to nest somewhere? Red, we have a box. You have a box. Yeah, there's a cardboard box over here. Chuck, you're so stupid. Alright, guys, come on, let's go find a place. He turned around! He turned around, everybody! He spun! He spun! Why'd you just burp in my face? Okay, I guess he's gone. Well, let's get out. Let's get out. Let's go. Woo! Get out of here. Yeah. Well, Junior. I fell over. Well, Junior, that was the new people you invited in your house. What? But guys. What are you? You get out of here right now. Out of here. Oh God. Oh God, my back. Dude, you have a shell. My back is the one that hurts. You have a shell too, Joseph. You right. Oh God, guys, I don't have a shell. No, I just have a normal back. Oh God. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to do that. Anyway, bye. Junior, I'm gonna get going, okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Oh God. Yeah, dude, I think I'm gonna go too. My throat hurts. He kind of punched me in the throat and it hurt, dude. Wait, guys. YouTube dude's question. Do you want to see an Angry Birds plush series? I'm gonna do some of those. Yeah. Anyway, bye. It's the YouTube dude's question. My back hurts. Dude, you have a shell. Joseph, I told you to get out of my house. Oh yeah, you right. Ugh.